The subject of this video is recovering a deleted site. So you've received a panic call from someone that their site's been deleted. So you open the 365 Admin Center, you browse to active sites, you can see the name of the site doesn't appear, you go to the deleted, you click the checkbox next to the site, and you click restore. Now let's go back to active sites, and we can see that the site has been restored. Let's click on the site. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the message you receive when you try to delete a site. So note you've got 93 days. Once the site's gone, it's gone. You can open a support incident with Microsoft, but don't know if it'll be recoverable. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.